In this video, I want to show you how to extract feature vertices to points in ArcGIS. Feature vertices are the specific points that define the shape, location, or corners of vector features like line or polygon, and it acts as control point you can move, add, or delete to edit the geometry. So let me show you how to extract the vertices to points in ArcGIS. So to do that, I will demonstrate by bringing a feature. Click on Add Data. Let me use this study area. Select it and click on Add. Yes, I have this polygon, and it is very possible for me to extract the vertices of this polygon. The vertices, as I said earlier on, they are specific points that define the shape and the locations or corners of vector features. To extract the vertices, come to Arc Toolbox, come to Data Management Tools, and come to Features. Then here you can see Feature Vertices to Points. Double click to open the tool. Then here I will input the polygon I want to use. Then give an output name. Let's call it Vertices. Then click on Save and click on OK. What it does is that it will extract all the vertices and convert it to points, and it will be added to our view. You can see it. Let me close this point. You can see that all the vertices that define the shape of this polygon has been extracted and converted to points. One thing to note here is that if I right click and open the attributes table, it will have the same attributes like the polygon from where it was extracted. All the attributes in the polygon has been extracted to the points as well. So what is the benefit of this? The benefit is that you can use this to find the coordinate of each vertex of this very polygon. So it's very useful when you want to know the exact coordinate of each corner of your polygon. So this is how to extract feature vertices to points in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.